Oh, hi. Welcome to my super schoolhouse. Use the actual toilet paper to wipe the water out. Oh no, the schoolhouse is flooding. Wait until to actually, I guess, disappear. Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks. Now you gonna do is get out while you still can. Oh, it's me, Spider. My name is Jeff Spider. So, I guess play the game tomorrow. So, let's get started. Let's go camping. Find a corn. Don't actually eat the corns. This is the corn maze. Pepperoni pizza maze has gotten replaced by corn maze. Do you like corns? Now corn maze has pepperoni pizza maze and everything maze. Wanna check it out? Find the sticks to expand the fire. I'll get some bear traps. Congratulations! You found 7 notebooks. Now you're gonna do is find a way out before I get you.